In this video, we will show the best dog kennels in India 2020. At number 1, Amazon Basics 2-door top-load pet kennel. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Amazon Basics double-door folding metal dog cage. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Mr. OREO powder coated iron cage with removable tray for dog. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Smarty Pet Paws for a Cause metal cage. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Jainsons Pet Products Black Cage. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.